Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets finished up mixed yesterday with corn and wheat trading lower while beans finished the day higher, all currently higher so far this morning. We got the NOPA crush estimates for February out yesterday. Came in a little higher than the trade was expecting. Actually came in at 141.6 million bushels versus the trade estimate of 140.9. So came in higher than the trade was expecting. Saw beans trade a little higher yesterday. Also got some support in the cash market. We're about $1 off the highs we saw earlier, so therefore farmer selling has dried up a little bit. Processors are pretty good through April from what I'm hearing as far as their supply, but don't want to get to a point where you actually need supply and you can't produce it, so they're raising the bids, trying to plan for the future. So we're seeing the beans trade a little higher. Also, still have private analysts down in South America decreasing their Brazilian production. It just keeps on getting lower and lower and lower. It seems had one this morning came out with 86 and some change million metric tons versus their previous estimate of over 88. So all those are lending some support to the soybean market. You got some winter kill concerns as far as wheat goes, hard red winter wheat. We also have ratings dropping in Texas and Oklahoma. That's supporting wheat a little bit, and corn's kind of along for the ride right now. As far as world news, Vladimir Putin signed a treaty allowing Ukraine to be annexed into Russia. That's obviously not sitting well. Allowing Crimea to be annexed into Russia. That's obviously not sitting well with Ukraine and a lot of the western part of the world. He doesn't plan on annexing any other parts of Ukraine. We'll just have to see how this all plays out, but definitely enough to add a little risk premium into the grain markets, specifically corn and wheat as we move forward. So that's all we've got for today. Again, later on this month, we've got the big reports as far as the quarterly stocks goes and planning intentions. We get those out on the 31st, which is 2 Mondays from yesterday, so keep your eye out from that. And also wanted to let you know, myself and John Payne, who's also over here at Daniels Ag Services, are presenting a webinar in conjunction with AgriCharts on our 2014 corn and soybean price outlook. So if you want information on that, head over to the Daniels Ag Services site, go to webinars, it'll be there for you. Sign up for it. It's at 2 p.m. tomorrow. A lot of good information in there. Really looking forward to presenting it. We've done quite a few of these with AgriCharts, and they always go pretty well. Hopefully you'll agree and are able to attend. So hopefully we'll see you there for that. But that's all we've got for today. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risk involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.